Hi, my name is Suzanne Caudell, and I'm here at Mario Brown's Online Marketing Mastery weekend, and it's been phenomenal. I met Mario at a self-improvement course with Michael Burnoff, and I fell in love with his mission. You know, he's really out to make a difference for entrepreneurs and business owners and online marketers. And I just absolutely fell in love with his heart, his authenticity, and just who he's being in the world. You know, he's really a stand that people's vision and mission gets out in the world. And he works with top-notch people. You know, we had a phenomenal weekend where, you know, some of the best in the industry have come out and trained us about online marketing, how to really put a plan in action and actually go out and make it happen. And so I obviously signed up for Mario's coaching program. I'm super excited to be on board. I recommend him to everybody. He's just an amazing human being. I want to work with anybody else in the industry. So thank you, Mario, and I look forward to working with you. Thanks for putting on this awesome event.